of Mr. President to save the nation. The women know more than what women know. The women feel more pain than women feel. They control the home front. They raise the nation. So my mothers, my sisters, my wives, it is your duty to talk to us as men. We all know that the president has been there for 1 year plus. He was given a 4-year mandate. The president is not a magician. And as women, we feel the pinch of whatever is happening more than any other group of people, more than the men. You find yourself as minister, you stayed so many years, you took. And when we are talking, those of us who made the sacrifices, those of us who stake our life, those of us who did. This is the first time in the history of this country. One of our own is president. This is the first time one of our own is president. One of our own was in the trenches. You can say anything you like, you were not there, you were there. At that time, why didn't you come out? You were not sitting on the fence. There was no fence, you were hiding your faith. Forever hide your faith. So when we are talking, show us some respect. We have ended. We ended respect. We didn't buy it. So those of you who can pray for Mr. President. Every religion, I'm a Muslim, every religion say, pray for your leaders. The prayer for your leaders, instead of cursing them, when you curse them, the governor is living in government house. He's eating free food, you are cursing him. The curse will be affecting you. When you are cursing the government, the governor, the president is in Asari, he's eating government food, the curse will not get to him. It will get to you first. When you are cursing that thing should be bad, you don't say anything good. Finally, we want to say that the president should start by the rule of law. The president should respect, the institution should respect the human rights that he has been talking about. The fundamental rights of the people should be preserved. What is not good is not good. What is good is good. And they should allow the president to hear us. The president should watch television. He should go to social media and read. The people only, he holds up the responsibility to hear us and not to shut his ear against us. Thank you very much.
Indeed, my younger brother has spoken. He has spoken almost all what's very Nigerian people. Well, Nigerian must remain. There's no any other better country than our own country. And we must ensure we protect our own country. There's no better home than Nigeria. We remain Nigerians and we will ever remain Nigerians. So for me, I will congratulate the strong lady in the house, the Minister for Women Affairs. She has done wonderful. Our solidarity today is a clear demonstration to tell you that she is not alone in this cause. We will support her anytime, any day she seeks for our support. Let it be clear to those who think that will do things and get away with it, believing she's a woman. She's a woman, man, and men behind her. I thank you once again, Nigerians. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you.
You had a lot of money coming for you. Coming to you. When the money day that we may suffer, women women, they suffer. Our children, they suffer. But before Bola Ahmed Tinubu came in, many, much money, they come for women where it dey. You see, but Bola Ahmed Tinubu came in, the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, and he looked at me when nobody wants, me when nobody even want to smell me around, for myself. They kick and they box am. He said, no, Uju must come in. Uju must join. And I joined. And I looked. I can't see where our money they disappear to. And I can't tell them it no go happen again. I fight. You know that. If President Ahmed Tinubu no stand for my back, now who born me to fight? Then go flog me, then go kick me. Even my brothers say no go fit save me. But Mr. President stand beside me. Bring it down! Get him! He said, my daughter, I said let the poor breathe. I said nobody should suffocate the poor. Go out there and protect your women. Go out there and protect your children. And you see, now why I know they fear. I don't fear nobody. I dey respect people, but I no go fear. Because I get President Bola Ahmed Tinubu behind me. If you women get President Bola Ahmed Tinubu behind you, with that, we get hope. We don't want our children to go out there and die. So that while others, when they push them, go there under a condition and they enjoy themselves. Even if I come with a chop now, make we die alive, they chop am. I don't want our children to go and die. I am begging Nigerians for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to allow me make I get mobile court to protect my women and children. To allow me say I no go sign loan wey go destroy my women. To allow me say make I face anybody wey come my way wey go bring suffering for women and children. Make we give am chance. Make we give am time. Make we call our sisters, our children, our brothers to tell them to keep their children for house. Make them not go kill themselves. We get hope. Narratives don't dey change. And now today, we don't get these our people. The president of students dey here. The Arewa dey here. The Yoruba dey here. The Ijo dey here. The River State dey here. All these people here on an SND dey here. Say, NLC dey here. This is NLC, Nigerian Labour Congress. The president said to me, I support women, but I know they are around. That he will send somebody to speak for them. Now the NLC, the National Traders Association, they here. These people got in the corner. No. Return Road Transport Employers Association and National Road Transport Workers. We are all here. They come to support you mothers because they don't want to make anything happen. Now only one day they give us to organize this. One day. Now this man, come here. Now this man, come call me. He said, women are first. No waiting to do with your women. Now one day notice, I call this my brother. Less than 24 hours. Look at them here. Offline, we will fill in from different places. They don't even ask me who you be well, apart from saying that the Minister for Women Affairs, they say, and they see how you dey protect women. For that reason, I go come. That was it. And look at them. Cry for them. Nigerians, I am pleading and begging. I am pleading and I'm pleading. Please, don't allow our children to go out there and die. Let us give Mr. President a chance. I have mobile courts. I have the money for the women secured. Before that money will come, Nigerians will know. And it must be restructured. That is what Mr. President said. He said he doesn't like how things were going before. Let everything be restructured. I am saying it before my brothers. That is what Mr. President said. When all these things are done, Nigeria will fine as America. Trust me. America has 200 and something years. Nigeria has 60 something years. We are not doing too bad, but we will do more. These Nigerians are begging. For the sake of these men and women that flew in, for your sake, for the sake of women, their mothers, their sisters, and their daughters, I beg you, please calm down and give a little time. We are going to give testimony within a year. That is the promise. More testimonies every day. No woman! No woman! May God bless you. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much. I remember. I don't know what to say, but to plead with Nigerians from my heart. I have shown them love. I have shown them commitment. I have shown my women that they have somebody to fight for them. I couldn't have done this if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was not giving me support, because they would have removed me, killed me, or kicked me out. But he stood by me. That is the strength I have. That is the backbone that I have. And that is why I can fight for the women. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu standing by me shows that he's standing by women. And the women are the mothers of the nation. That's why we decided to gather, to plead with our children. We don't want to lose any of them. Let them stay home and give a chance. I believe 1 year from now, all the government has been doing will start showing. I know things are hard. I am not taking it away from that.
In the short term, what are you doing to alleviate the hunger of these women?
Under 1 year, Women Affairs, we've supplied economic machines to about 16 states, including FCT. Within less than 4 months. Just this year, President wants to change things. That's why he sat on the allocation to make sure that it will be properly used. We used to travel a lot before now, before President Bola Ahmed Tinubu came. He came in and he stopped traveling. That saved us 5.5 billion every month. Who will ever have got to do that? Before, Nigerians will gallivant, coming home with nothing, including my office, Women Affairs. They will call it CSW. They will call it hunger. They will carry the money we're supposed to use and help the nation. Carry it and travel and come home with nothing. Nobody was able to talk to them. But with the guts President Bola Ahmed Tinubu gave to me, it did not happen this year. No money from Ministry of Women Affairs was used to travel to CSW. We got those that always invite us to come and lavish our money to sponsor us. And that is the way it is. So we are encouraging President, continue what he's doing. In a short while, Nigerians will see the result. Even the little that see from me, when I say I no go agree, I no go agree. No, is it not because I have president? If I didn't have president, now who born me? I'm begging Nigerians, calm down. Give a little time so that our children will not die. And the results will show. I am not tired of fighting. I have the energy. Boku. Just calm down for this president and give him time.